नमस्कार. आमी पळयतात की जायते फावटी गोंयान जे रस्त्या वयले सुणे आसा, रस्त्या वयलीं जीं जनावरां आसात तांकां जे फीड करतात, जेवण घालतात, तांकां जायते लोकां कडल्यान धमक्यो मेळटात. तशेंच जायते लोक तांकां धमक्यो दितात, तांच्या आंगार वतात. सो अशा वेळार जे फिडर्स आसात, जे जनावरांक जेवण घालतात, तांकां आपले स्वताचे रायट्स कितें आसा ते खबर आसना आनी अशा वेळार ते लोकांक प्रत्युत्तर दिवपाक अपयशी ठरतात. सो जायते फावटी सुणी त्रास करतात म्हणून कांय लोक तांकां जेवणांतल्यान विश घालतात, पॉयझन घालतात आनी तांकां मारून उडयतात. अशा वेळार त्या लोकांकूय बी तितलोच खर पनिशमेंट आसा. कायद्यान हें सगळें चुकीचें आनी कायद्यान हाका सक्त शिक्षा आसा. ह्याच विशीं आमी जाणून घेवपाक आज आमी उपस्थित आसात गोवा ह्युमेन ट्रस्ट फॉर एनिमल्स हांचे ट्रस्टीज आज आमच्या बरोबर हांगा उपस्थित आसात. आमच्या बरोबर आसात विजेंद्र गरोला जे गोवा ह्युमेन ट्रस्ट फॉर एनिमल्साचे ट्रस्टी जावन आसात. तशेंच आमच्या बरोबर आसात अतुल भसीन. He is also one of the trustees of Goa Humane Trust for Animals and also Vijay Mendis. He is also one of the trustees. So हे तिगूय जाण आज आमच्या बरोबर उपस्थित आसात आनी आज आमी तांचे कडेन उलोवन जाणून घेवया की अशा पद्दतीचे जे वायट पद्दतीची वागणूक आसा ताका कितें शिक्षा मेळपाक शकता. वेलकम विजेंद्र सर.
Thank you.
So basically, what are the laws which protect the feeders and also what are the laws which are punishable in case if you hit and run over a stray animal?
Specifically, if you're in Goa, there is Goa government policy for stray dog feeding. I should actually say community dogs, because last year in 2023, Central Government of India brought about a new notification, whereas under PCA Act ABC rules for dogs, they have now termed all of our dogs as community dogs. So all the dogs which are living are community dogs. So the Goa government rules for community dogs feeding, the central government rules for community dogs feeding. Specifically, there are various court judgments that protects feeder. Any kind of harassment or threatening of feeders is a crime under 503. And the Goa government rules, which came about last year, and then last year they were revised mid last year. They also very specifically reference punishment for harassing and threatening feeders. So anybody who's threatening feeders can go to police. In fact, the government has very, very clearly stipulated that the SHOs, the local area cops are supposed to protect the feeders. And they're supposed to take action against those who are harassing or threatening feeders. Because at the end of the day, feeding community dogs is a constitutional duty under 51 AG of Constitution. It's not just that under central government rules and also Goa government rules, there is a very, very specific provision that it's no longer a nice thing to do. That the feeders are actually not just performing a constitutional duty, but they are, as per law, they are feeding and taking care of community animals. There is a lot of wrong perception in the market about, the wrong word, I would say. People talk about dog menace. There is no community dog menace, and I can say it straight away. And it's documented. 95% of dog bites cases are from pet dogs, not from community or stray dogs. So government can strengthen the laws, increase the penalty, increase the jail term for cruelty. But ultimately, implementation of that law rests with police. And police must be made sensitive. The government must create bodies. In Goa, for instance, under statutory, it's a statutory body under Collector's Office, District Society for Prevention of Cruelty Against Animals. And the SPs are supposed to be a part of it. So, there is awareness. Second, the law is there, but unless it's implemented by police and they register the offense, which more than often than not does not happen, either against animals or against feeders who are going through the harassment. We ourselves have done a few complaints in the past. Our feeding van was broken. Our feeders have been threatened and harassed here. we've gone through quite a bit. We went through the court cases, and we actually won and got the judgment through none other than Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa. Now, if you see the sheer population of dogs in Goa alone, and 2 or 3 sterilization centers, there is absolutely no way you'll be able to control their population unless government takes it on a war footing and creates the infrastructure to sterilize these dogs. You cannot blame feeders, you cannot blame anybody if you don't create sterilization capacity. So my message and request to the government would be to really take it on a war footing, to create this sterilization capacity at panchayat level, at local panchayat level.
I mean, we spoke earlier on about other feeders being harassed within communities. They should understand that they are not alone. We have a body, the DSPCA, okay, who they can represent the matter to. Like in several cases, we also, put in our complaint to the DSPCA. They take it forward. They intervene to try and bring in harmony. If not, then they go by the law. The feeders, they should understand that please report your cases to an authorized body for help.
गोवा ह्युमॅन ट्रस्ट फॉर एनिमल्साच्या ह्या ट्रस्टीं कडेन आज आमी उलयली आनी तातूंतल्यान बरीचशी म्हायती आमकां जाणून आयली. ती म्हणल्यार जे रस्त्या वयले सुणे आसात, जी रस्त्या वयलीं जनावरां आसात, तांच्या बाबतीन जे खास अशे कायदे सरकारान केल्ले आसा आनी त्या कायद्यांची जाता तितली जागृताय जावप अत्यंत गरजेची आसा. आनी जागृताय जातनाच खंय तरी त्या कायद्यांची अंमलबजावणी जावप तितलीच गरजेची आसा. आनी प्रत्येक नागरिकाचें हें कर्तव्य जावन आसा. आनी रस्त्या वयलीं जी सुणीं आसा, जी जनावरां आसात, तांकांय जगपाचो तितलोच अधिकार आसा. आनी तांकां सांबाळपाचो हो दर एका मनशाचो अधिकार आसा. आनी सरकारान ह्या मनशांक आदार दिवप तितलेच गरजेचें आसा. स्वप्नील तारी बरोबर राधिका कामत सातोस्कर, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.